Hi friend, my name is Bambo Jumbo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently all of these houses were under the construction and each of them was built with the help of a tractor. But to work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Tractor is a very big machine. It has huge tires to drive even through the off-road. Let's assemble the tractor together. First, let's take a base frame of our tractor, to which we will attach all its components. A driver's cab and an engine will also be attached to the base frame. Next go the wheels. Tractor has wheels of two different sizes, small front wheels and big rear wheels. And now let's attach front wheels, on the one side and on the other. Next go the engine, without which our tractor can start to drive. Now let's attach a hood. It protects the engine from ingress of water and dust. Tractor is ready. This machine is strongly needed at every construction site. But what is the job of our tractor? If we attach a bull blade to our tractor, it can replace a bulldozer. If we attach a trailer to our tractor, it can replace a truck. But tractors are necessary not only at construction sites. If we attach a snow brush to the tractor, we can clean the roads in our city. Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye. Like our video and subscribe to our channel, and soon you will see even more cool cartoons. See you soon. Bye bye.